Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to vlog like a day in the life of Florida and vacation. So it is raining outside, so I'm not even going to bother to put on makeup or anything. We're going to go on a little adventure, like a hike or something. From that hike has been deleted and like misplaced. I don't know where it went. So enjoy the little pieces that you just saw, but it was so beautiful. I wish you guys could all see it. Makeup on to make it look a bit more presentable. My hair is just a bit crazy, but I think we're gonna go somewhere to watch the Eagles game now, and when we get there I'm going to edit all of yesterday's vlog from traveling and hopefully get that posted. Okay, right now I'm like looking for where I find the bikes. There's this little spot to wipe off shells. Okay, so we just went to the restaurant and now they're all gonna play volleyball. I'm not gonna play volleyball. I'll just like watch and video and stuff, but here's the beach. Hi everyone, so it is the next day. I'm just gonna continue on this vlog because I didn't film that much yesterday because it was raining and we went to saw the Eagles game and stuff, but so basically, I'm just going to be filming today. So right now it is about like 8:10 and we're about to go do some yoga. Inside tour of our place when I go inside, but I just want to give you guys like a really quick outside tour because it is so cool. Okay, so let me just show you this. This is like when you walk up and this is the place and then this is the place. We have the top one, so from there all the way over, and then this is a bunch of little ones. If I come over here, okay, first of all look how cute this, and then if I come over here, it's like all of these we get free range to, and it's just like paddle boards and kayaks. And then down here is like, this is what you put them on. And then if we go back, okay, and then when we come back, so we got ours right there. And then if we come through here, look how cute that is. If you go through this little alleyway, first look, this is this way to all that stuff. Then if we go this way, through here, it's like fun stuff this way. And then if you go this way a bit more, here's like the shell cleaning area, where like you just clean the shells. And then here's like the outdoor showers. Look how cute. And then over here is where like all the bikes are. Isn't that adorable right there? And then over here, in here's the like toy box, they call it. And it's all this stuff that we get to use. So like noodles, life jackets, umbrellas, like wagons, coolers, everything. And that's all just like all right there. And then if you go back this way, you can also exit. Let me grab my shells. you could also exit this little thing instead of going through here, through there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna give you guys a quick like little insight toward the place. It is kind of a big mess. There are 9 of us staying in here, so yeah. Okay, so I am doing a voiceover, so I don't know how well this is gonna be, but so when you walk in the door, first you have to put in the code. And then when you walk in, there's the living room and the main entryway. So we have all of our shoes and everything there. And then Dad sitting on the couch there doing work. And then if you go that way, we have the bathroom. This is the only bathroom with a shower in it. So there's my little fit. That's the shower. And then if we go into the room exactly next to the bathroom, right off of the living room, is where my mom and dad slept. It is a bit of a mess, but you know, it's tight quarters. And then if we go straight out of that room, we go into the kids' room, which has 4 beds. Zan's sleeping up there, and I didn't realize he was sleeping when I was videoing this. I'm right there where you guys see. And then Rowan's up top, Zach's on the bottom, and then Zan's on the top. There's all of our suitcases. And then if you go out of that and continue straight, we're back into the living room. There's our kitchen. It has enough seats for everyone. There's 10 seats. Then if we go into here, here's the master bedroom. This is where my Aunt Sarah and Uncle Pat slept. This little TV. Then if you go out this door, here's their balcony. There's 3 total exits to the balconies, but there's 2 balconies of this house. This one has a view of the front and the side. Those are some chairs. And then if you go back in, Zan's sitting next to me. If you go back in, if you go straight through, oh, I was having trouble closing this door. If you go straight through here, here's the closet. Look how massive this closet is. We could have slept in there. All right, then here's the bathroom. That bathtub was amazing. It's like a jacuzzi. If you continue going, here is a double sink. And then that door that I just tried to open leads back out instead of going through. That's the bathroom door right there. And then here is going through the kitchen. And then if I exit through the kitchen, this is the... Do you want to do it?
And then there's our amazing view of the house.
The beach is just a little bit more forward, and we have to take a path to get to the beach. And that's it. I forgot to film an outro to that video, but thank you all so much for watching, and stick around for day 2. Day 3, I guess. I don't even know what day we're on. I'm opening the room for Zan right now, but thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.